Hello YouTube family, I hope you guys are all doing well. I am here for probably the most requested video I have had since launching my channel. I don't know if you know, but a few weeks ago, well I think it's been a few months ago, I put my Dyson on my Instagram stories right as we went into lockdown. And I wanted to give this a really fair review, which is why I've left it so long to come back to you to let you know what I think of it. So in today's video, I am going to be reviewing my Dyson Airwrap complete. Ugh. So I wanted for the longest time a new hair tool. I've had the GHD Platinums for about 2 years now, love them so much, but I do find that after using them once, twice a week, my hair was getting to the point of just looking a little bit frazzled. When you sit back and think about how much heat you're applying to hair, I mean, I think I'm just trying to justify why I've got my Dyson, in all fairness. No justification needed. We went into lockdown and I started doing tons of online shopping, and this came up on my feed. No, I tell a lie. I tell you what happened. I was scrolling through Instagram as you do, and the new Dyson straighteners came up on my feed, and I ummed and ahed, and I read a lot of reviews, and a lot of people that have got the Dyson straighteners didn't actually like it. A few reviews said, gonna send this back and get the Dyson wrap instead. And then I went down the rabbit hole of like researching the Dyson wrap and found it on QVC. Disclaimer here, I did buy this with my own money, and I've also used the 4 easy payments from QVC to justify why this is currently sitting in my bedroom. I think I've gone on for long enough. Let's show you what's inside this huge box. First of all, it arrives in this beautiful carry case, although I don't know where you're going to carry this because this thing weighs an absolute ton. It did come in a bigger box, which I've put where everyone keeps their boxes, on top of my wardrobe, but this is the size of the carry case itself. The case looks like it's lovely leather, Dyson on there, and then it comes with this little pull-up tab, and then it's all felt lined. You've got this Dyson heat protective wrap to put on your floor, and then I got the complete set. So you get a mini hair drying tool, you've got the 2 curlers, you've got a smoothing brush, 2 smoothing brushes, and then this is the brush, the tool that I use to straighten my hair with, the Dyson Airwrap itself. And then included in the box, I was also sent another brush, and I think this is for your for your bangs, your fringe. And so I've actually yet to use this one. This is the Dyson Airwrap itself. It's quite long, quite girthy, strong, and then the controls are on the front of the Dyson here. So you've got on, off, and then you've got your fan settings, and then over here you've got your heat settings. And when you've got the Dyson on, if you want to push that up, it blows out cool air, and then you've got so you can see it does get quite loud. So I've been playing about with this for the best part of 4 weeks. I have not used my straightener since I've had this. So today I'm going to give you a little demo of how I straighten, stroke, give myself a blow dry using the Dyson, and then I'll come back and I'll give you my final thoughts. I've washed my hair today, and as you can tell, it's about 80% dry. I do keep a bottle of water when I'm doing this hair, because you'll see as you're drying sections of your hair, it does blow onto, like, you know, the back of your hair, so you may dry your hair whilst drying a section of hair. I'm gonna just section off my hair and show you how many sections I do. They do feel a little bit drier than what I would like, so I'm just gonna spritz. And then to attach the head, it's super easy. Is you just place it in and just click it into place. So the lock is on the back of the Dyson Airwrap. You click it down and it just releases. You are good to go. I am just going to do a very quick time lapse into this portion of the video, so I'll see you in just a minute. So that's the, literally it took me about a minute to do this side of my hair, and then I'm gonna do the rest. I am gonna quickly just go do the rest of my hair and then I'll be straight back. Okay, I'm just gonna move back. So this is my hair, just very quickly going over with the smoother brush on the Dyson Airwrap, and as you can see, it just looks and it feels so soft, super shiny. Now I've left this bit here at the top because I wanted to show you how I curl my hair with what makes this Dyson Airwrap so famous. I'm just going to stand up just so you can see my hair, and I do really fold the brush into my hair when I straighten it, and I do go round and round like they do in the salons. I'll show you quickly actually. So, and then I just go round, round and round and round and round and round, and then leave it there for a minute, turn it off, and there you go. And that's how I get these gorgeous curls. The part that I was most excited for when I first got my Dyson Airwrap, which are these little things that look like huge nipples. In the pack that I got, you get two 30mm curls, and then you get two of the 40mm curls. I will show you how I use them to create big bouncy curls. I kept this part out. I didn't do this. I wanted you to see how ratchet my hair dries, and I wanted to also show you how to use the curling tool. Now this is very dry at the minute, so I'm going to wet it using the water bottle that I had. Right, let's take this bit back here. Getting your Dyson Airwrap, the arrows on curlers show the direction of the curl that you will get. So we want it to go away from our face, so I need this one. So just holding it to your face, you can see the arrow is pointing away. So we want to click it into place, the smallest piece, and turn this on. And you'll see the hair will just wrap itself around. So taking it to the end of the hair and then just wrap it slowly to the top. Hold it there for a minute or two. Now this does get really hot. And then you want to switch it to cool and then turn off. Look at that. This side done, and for this side I'll show you using the bigger curler, using the bit that goes away from our hair, and this is the bigger one. We're going to lock that into place. Let's get a small bit of hair, okay, and again you just want to turn it on, let the hair attach, and then just push it towards your scalp. And then turn it to cool, and then release. And that's the bigger curl. guys, thank you so much if you are still here. So we have got a lot going on at the minute. So we've got our small curls, we've got our smoothed out blow dried hair here, and we've got the bigger curls here. Now I am just gonna style this out and just brush a lot of these curls out with my fingers and just break up these curls here. And I'm gonna just back up a little bit. So this is my hair here. Let's just break up these ringlets that we've got going on. There we go. Okay, so if we just give these a minute, these will just fall down. They won't stay as curly as we can see them here. I'm going to quickly brush it out just to show you what happens when you do. So that's it looks better brushed out. Huh? Right, final thoughts on this. Now, let's go through some of the cons first. It is a lot of money. It is a lot of money. However, I am always on the lookout for treatment, shampoos, conditioners, really expensive ones. Because I was using my GHDs all the time, I did notice that my hair at the bottom, every time I brushed it, that I'd have lots of hair on the floor where the damaged bits would literally just snap off. So I'm hoping if I don't apply too much heat, I'm going to see less breakage at the end of my hair. It's also not very travel friendly, so you do get this huge case. You wouldn't be able to travel with this. It weighs an absolute ton. You could just go away with this and an attachment, your favorite attachment. Mine would be the smoothing tool, because you've seen how my hair dries. It does go very, very frizzy and it's not a good look. So that's one way to get around that. The price of it is very, very expensive. Like I was saying, QVC do have payment options, so I did the 4 easy payments. Just because my hair is so long, I do find that these are quite short, and then a week after I got mine, I noticed that on QVC you can actually buy the longer barrels as well, but they're £30 each. So maybe in hindsight I should have bought the smoothing set and then added on the longer barrels, which I probably would have got a lot better use out of. I had 30 days to try this and send it back. I've had it for longer than 30 days now, and do you know what? I would not be without this. I love this so much, and it's the only styler that I use now. My GHDs, I have not seen them since this came into my life. Let me know if you would be willing to pick it up, or have you heard great things about it? Comment down below. I've had lots and lots of people on my Instagram, when I put it on my stories, do the review. Is it worth it? Do I need to get myself one? I've done a few pictures which I'll put up on here, and even after that picture went up, a lot of my friends were like, oh my god, now I'm gonna have to get one. Girls, please, you will not regret it. I love mine to bits. That is my review of the Dyson Airwrap. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please drop me a comment down below with which curl you prefer. I am definitely for this one here. Will you be picking up the Dyson Airwrap? Have you heard good things, bad things? Do you have the Dyson Airwrap, and what do you feel about it? Drop it all down below. Before you leave, please don't forget to hit subscribe, like this video, and I will definitely see you on my next one. See you soon, guys. Bye for now.